Friends, today we have to see the individual counseling. Individual counseling is a form of a treatment wherein a client work one on one with a trained mental health clinician in a safe, secure, empathic, and confidential environment. It allows individuals to explore their feelings, beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors, work through the challenging or significant memories, identify aspects of their lives that they would like to change, better understand themselves and others, set personal goals, and work towards the desired outcomes. Individual counseling is also called therapy. Just like psychotherapy, psychological, psychosociological therapy, talk therapy, and counseling. It helps to remove or modify existing symptoms, attribute to the disturbed patterns, behavior, and also aids in promoting positive personality growth and development. And individual counseling to taken already their sessions. Individual counseling often begins with an assessment sessions where the focus is on the establish on understanding of the client's background and discussion. The particular concern immediate triggers that the client wishes to explore to form a well defined layout for the counseling process. Once there is clarity on what is to the address and certain degree of reports has been established between the counselor and client, both discuss how they could work on the matter, include the frequency of sessions and timings. Typically, counseling sessions are scheduled one or a week, and the counselor and client decide mutually how many sessions may be needed and when they might check back or a progress closer, but this also depends on the needs of the client and customized plan in the formulated according to that. From the individual therapy provide the hermitage rehab, just like examples cognitive behavior therapy CBT, declare, deli- delicate behavioral therapy DBT, interpersonal psychotherapy IPT, rel- rational emotive behavioral therapy REBT, acceptance and commitment therapy ACT, psychoanalytical therapy, and humanistic therapy. Counseling have the so many therapies also. All these therapies are the beneficial. Counseling beneficial are there are the multiple benefits of individual counseling that client need to be feel. Some of them are improved communication skill, better understanding of self and emotions, healthier thinking patterns and greater awareness of the negative thoughts, ability to discover personal strength and the weaknesses, greater insight about your life, ability to make healthier choices, ability to make healthier choices as well as ability to overcome old belief systems and change to the established refined thinking patterns and behavior, better coping strategy to the manage stresses, strong family bonds, ability to identify goals and how to progress towards them. What individual counseling can help with? The aim of mental health process professional at the Hermitage it is to the provide that with the best of treatment care and plan and hence are the trained to the provide individual counseling for the addiction and substance user disorders, anxiety disorders, bipolar disorder, depressions, eating disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, phobias, post traumatic stress disorder, anger, chronic pain, or a serious illness, divorce and breakups, grips of loss, insomnia, low self esteem, family issue, and so many others also, schizophrenia, etc. For that, we have to use the counseling, and this is the very